Hi everybody, welcome to the EMS ISD STEM Showcase. We are members of the Boswell Chemistry Club. I am Emmons.
And I'm Raymond Cervantes, the Social Media Officer Representative. We're going to determine the number of calories in a serving of food. We'll do this by creating a model of calometer and using this thing by creating, to capture the heat released when a Cheeto is burned.
It's called burning calories for a reason. Before we start, we do want to remind you, don't try this without a trained professional supervising. Our club sponsor, Ms. Thomas, is off to the side watching, making sure we're doing everything by the book. We are wearing goggles to protect our eyes.
And aprons to protect our clothes from chemicals or fire. And our sleeves are all rolled up so they don't catch a fire.
The first thing we'll do is create our calometer, which is right here. We already have 100 milliliters of water in it, and right now it reads, hold on, wherever it went, it reads at 20 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to put it on here. Like so. Okay, the next thing we're going,
Next, we need a Cheeto, a paperclip, and some aluminum foil. We're going to mass all these together.
$5 grams. Okay, now we're going to do is white the Cheeto. Tongs. We are going to pick up the Cheeto by the wonderful paperclip contraption, maybe. It wants to get picked up. And hold it here.
Next, we're going to light it on fire. The more fuel in the Cheeto, the bigger the fire will be, and the longer the fire will last. Also, the more heat the Cheeto will transfer to the water in the can, raising the water's temperature. Knowing the mass of the part that burns up and how much it rose to body temperature will allow us to calculate the calories. So, let's wait.
And there it's out. Now we'll take a new reading of the water, which right now is at 48 degrees, which is new.
That's not a lot, is it? Even with all that fire and smoke. Fun fact, water is really hard to heat up. And it takes a lot of energy. And we only have 1 kilometer and only 1 Cheeto. And a lot of the heat from the Cheeto actually didn't go to the water. I mean, we felt the heat from here. Remember, all models have limitations.
Next we're going to do is find the difference of weight. So, it's now 2 grams, 3 grams of difference.
Based on our calculations, we generated only 1.2 calories per gram. As you can see, we are way off. But again, we only have a model of a calometer, and they use the real thing. We can improve our model by enclosing the system into something that would trap the heat. We condense more aluminum foil because that can mold in different shapes and would attach to the ring stand easily. but it's metal and conducts heat, so it wouldn't work. Then we saw about a lot of oven mitts, but fabric is flammable, and the fire really got big. We're stumped. Maybe you have some ideas. Ask your science teacher tomorrow. Well, that's all we have. I'm Raymond Cervantes.
And I'm Emmons Ratliff.
And we're from the Boswell Chemistry Club. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. And if you want to keep up with our adventures, follow us on Twitter at Boswell Chem Club. Have a great evening.
Have a good evening.